It's time us men talked about hair loss. There is absolutely no sympathy out there for men who lose their hair, but hair loss can really affect a person. It can affect your confidence, it can affect your self-esteem, your career, your friendships, your relationships. No one understands how important hair is to a person until you lose your own. I had gone from having a full head of hair to almost nothing in the space of a few years. I didn't know why my hair was falling out. I certainly didn't know how to stop it. And I was clueless that I could actually grow it back. I was vulnerable and eventually fell victim to various scams, products that did not work, and expensive contracts with hair clinics that I could not afford. I hate to think how much time and money I have wasted over the years trying to grow my hair back. I just wish I knew back then what I know now. I'm going to share with you everything that I've learned through my attempts to stop hair loss and regrow my hair. You'll learn which products and medications actually work and where to source them affordably. I'll show you the best methods to disguise hair loss and how to avoid the many scams from the multi-billion-dollar hair loss industry. We'll enter the world of hair transplants and even modern wigs for those who struggle to grow their hair back naturally. And because our bodies are all different, you'll learn which steps to take when things aren't working. This is the information that I wish I had over 10 years ago when I lost my hair. Welcome to the Hair Growth Code.